Okay, well, here's Gary, Grandpa Gary back at the Jag project again. Getting ready to weld the new piece of metal into the lower lip of the trunk lid, the boot lid. So I've trimmed the new piece to fit just inside this lip that's left after I cut the rusty section out. So we have a bit of a rolled edge coming up this way. The next step here is to start to tack this area here all the way along, and I see I'll have to clamp that down a bit, and so that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so here we are, not quite finished stitch welding everything here. Coming along. Of course, this piece here is warping, as I expected it to. So some hammer and dolly work has already been done, but once I grind this all off and dress it, I'm going to take some time to hammer and dolly, get everything mating properly. And so I don't want to introduce any kind of warpage into the outer skin here. So yeah, just a little bit more effort required here in some of the gaps, and then start the grinding process, dress this all up. I'll show you what it's like after I'm done. Okay, so here we are, still in the process of tacking the patch panel on. I'm not happy with what I'm seeing here, so I'm going to do some more welding, filling in imperfections with weld, and then grinding some more. Yeah, even for an amateur like me, it's looking a little too ugly. So more welding, more grinding.